Tell people that you're going to be practicing. Tell them that you're going to be singing, whether it's your neighbors, your roommate, whatever. Tell them to expect voice cracks and weird exercises and some really loud stuff and some really crazy sounding stuff. Tell them. That way it frees you up to be messy. And that's what practice is. Don't hold yourself to sounding like a polished performer. You're practicing. And scales, I don't hardly know anyone who sounds good doing scales all the way through the lower, the middle break, and the upper. And like if you're pushing your limits or you're trying to do something different, you're experimenting and seeing how you can hit notes differently. There's so many ways to hit a note. Then give yourself that leeway, give yourself that break to not sound good. It's not a polished performance, it's practice.